First, let us discuss about the concepts. Which are the concepts we are going to discuss in the sessions? As I told, okay. So we are going to. This is the first batch. I am going to teach ECC plus S4 HANA, the end-to-end process. Okay, this is the first batch. But earlier, even I have an experience, and also coming to my teaching experience since 2013, I am there into the teaching field. Okay, now the first let us see the ECC. Okay, in ECC 6.0, what are the topics which we are going to discuss? Then once we will see that one, then we'll go for the S4 HANA. Okay, so but some people will say, okay, some people will say, why are you learning? Why are you learning ECC 6? Nowadays there is no openings on ECC. Okay, many people will say that, but I would strongly, okay, I would strongly say to them, without knowing ECC 6 functionality, if you know S4 HANA completely, you will not understand the functionalities. Why I am saying this one? Because 70%, remember I am repeating that sentence, 70% of the functionalities which are having in ECC, the same has been carried forwarded to the S4 HANA. The rest 30%, the new functionalities which has been introduced in S4 HANA. Okay, remember, that is why I am saying fundamentals we need to learn in ECC 6. Once we will be comfortable, once we will feel comfortable ourselves, then we'll go for the S4 HANA. Otherwise, if you directly go and see the S4 HANA, definitely you will get confused. That is my strongly recommendation. But now you can check it in the market also. Okay, then in ECC, what we are going to learn? Okay, in ECC 6.0, there are different kind of functional modules are there, technical modules are there, but now we are going to learn is a FICO. FICO is a stands for finance and controlling. Finance and controlling. So finance is a separate module, and controlling is a separate module. Okay, remember, under finance, which are the modules we are going to discuss? Under finance, we are going to discuss general ledger accounting. Then second thing is that accounts payable, then accounts receivable, sorry, accounts receivable, then asset accounting, then bank accounting, then GST, goods and service tax. Okay, I'm going to cover even sales tax. So sales tax is nothing but a VAT. Okay, in before 2017 in India also we had the concept sales tax. Okay, so but now India GST is following only in India. But now if you are going to in future, if you are going to work for other than Indian clients, you should know. Okay, I mean input output tax, but concept is same as compared with the GST. But now how the tax procedure which is going to work, how the tax calculations can be done. Okay, I'm going to cover sales tax also. This is also important. Only except India, others are following the okay sales tax procedure. Still the process it is there. Then the withholding tax. Okay, withholding tax even other than India also following, other countries also following, remember. Then new GL accounting. So in this new GL accounting, I'm going to cover is a document splitting parallel ledger concept, which I'm going to cover. Then the next one is that okay, master data upload and open items upload. This is the concept. When we will be there into the implementation project, we must have to perform in ECC. Okay, even nowadays, okay, what are the alternative solutions which are there? When we are going to discuss into the S4 HANA, I will explain you. There are different modules which are come now. Earlier in 2010, okay, till the time, okay, then we were using some BDC programs, some LSNW programs, but now it is a MDG. Most of the clients are using MDG, master data governance. That is one one of the separate module, okay, to bring the master data into SAP system. That is one of the additional module which is available, but I will explain you, okay. But if we do not have the MDG, what are the options we have? If we have the MDG, okay, how we can go for the master data upload, okay, then I will explain you in the sessions. Now these are the topics which I am going to discuss in the finance. Then under controlling, cost element accounting. Then the second thing is a cost center accounting. Then third one is a internal orders. Then fourth one is a profit center accounting. Then the next one is, sorry, profit center accounting. Then is a COPA, controlling profitability analysis. It is a reporting tool, okay, where we can use only for sales and distribution purpose. Then I will explain you the concept when we will be there into. Then the sixth one is a which we are going to discuss, product costing. So under product costing, many people will say that one, are you going to cover the material ledger? Yes, under the product costing, I am going to cover actual costing, okay, with material ledger. Actual costing with material ledger. Then so these are the concepts which I am going to cover in controlling. Then apart from this, what cross modules functionality is required? Cross modules integration. So what are the cross modules integration? What are the cross modules which we are having? The cross modules, 99% every business, if my business organization is a sales organization, they would require is a sales and distribution process. If my organization is a manufacturing the product and selling that product, in such cases they would require is a material management and sales and distribution also, okay. Then material management integration with FI finance, okay. FI stands for finance. Then sales and distribution, sales and distribution integration.
Yeah, Bhaskar, your screen is not moving.
Oh, okay, one moment, let me, okay, stop sharing. Once again I am going to share because I'm writing in the same Excel. Okay, let's see how is it now.
Now it's working.
Fine. Okay, fine. Recording already started. Fine. So sales and distribution, these two cross modules which we must have to aware these two modules also. It's an important thing, okay. There are integration with the FI other modules also. It is there, project systems it is there, okay. HR module will be there, but those are the modules will not required, but these two are the sufficient, okay. These two are the sufficient. If you required, then let me know so that I will tell you where the integration will be happen for other modules. But now most of the cases, 99% they will ask in interview point of view or else working perspective, okay. Interview doesn't matter, but for working perspective also they will ask only the questions from these modules only, okay. Then in some people, remember one more thing, some people, so they may only learn finance, all these modules they will comfortable. Once they will practice and they will feel comfortable, then under controlling they will learn up to here only profit center accounting. Many people doesn't learn COPA and product costing, then they will start for the searching job, okay, including these two modules also. Then they will, most of the people will not learn. Now if you want to become a CO controlling consultant, because for CO separate consultants will be there, for finance separate consultants will be there, but some organizations you can able to see. But now once you will be there into the role, you need to work both FI and as well as CO, okay. But if you are feeling that I want to become a CO consultant, then you need to know, first you need to know about the finance, okay, how the finance is going to work, then you can start learning the controlling, okay. These are, you need to know about even this also, cross modules also, okay. Now these are the modules in finance and controlling which we are going to discuss. Then S4 HANA. Okay, so in S4 HANA, okay, in S4 HANA, what are the modules we are going to discuss? And also first I would like to tell you the S4 HANA which I am going to use for which batch. Okay, this is the S4 HANA system which I am having. This is for other I mean for treasury I am teaching. Okay, so this is the version, the current version which I am having is a 1909 version. But now for your batch I am going to get 2021. The version is a 2020-21, the latest version of S4 HANA. Because as compared with the 1909 version, there are additional changes which they have introduced in 2021. Okay, so that is the reason I am going to get for your batch onwards 2021 system. Okay, if 2022 will be available, I will get it 2022 also till the time. Okay, but I am assuring that 20 S4 HANA I am going to use S4 HANA 2021. 2021 the version is it. Okay, then in S4 HANA what are the modules we are going to discuss? Okay, the same controlling, the same modules will be available, the same modules will be available. But if you can ask, okay sir, what is the difference between S4 HANA and ECC 6? Architecture wise changes are there, Fury apps which we are going to see, the Fury apps wise changes are there. And also at the same time, then the planning concept which is there into the S in ECC, the planning here I will mention in controlling note, planning can be possible. Now here the completely the concept of planning, it has been removed in S4 HANA system. Okay, controlling, within the controlling I'm talking about, planning concept has been removed, and if we want, we have a separate system, IBP, integrated business planning. For planning purpose in S4 HANA we have a separate system, IBP, integrated business planning is the separate system which we have. But now as compared with the, it's the same, but now the architecture wise changes are there. The data storage, it will be the I mean it is the different as compared with the ECC 6. Most of the functionalities has been changed. Now cost element accounting, it is not there into the S4 HANA system. Okay, in controlling module this has been completely removed. Okay, if we talk about now all the primary and secondary cost elements are turned into the GL accounts. Okay, cost center planning, it will be the remain, this are, and everything is same now. But now Fury apps, the concept of as compared with this one, this is the one additional change. Okay, cost element accounting has been removed, then planning concept has been removed, then architecture changes, they have introduced only one universal table in S4 HANA. And also especially the bank accounting, there are a lot of changes in the bank accounting. And also I'm in S4 HANA, we are not going to say asset accounting. We need to call it as a new asset accounting. Why we need to call it as a new asset accounting? That when we will be there into the okay configuration, then I will explain you new asset accounting. Okay, so this is the important one. Okay, new asset accounting they are going to call. Okay, profit center accounting, but other things are quite common only. Okay, GST, sales tax, withholding tax, and new general ledger concept also same. Okay, master data, and also currency setups as compared with in ECC 6.0, we can able to set up only the, I mean we can map for one company code or one legal entity, we can map only the 3 currencies. But as compared with, but in S4 HANA we can map up to 10 currencies. Okay, so there are few changes are there as compared with ECC 6. Okay, I am going to cover in detail all those things. And apart from this, the major impact where we can see is the Fury apps. Okay, now in you completed ECC and S4 HANA will be completed. Then I am going to cover the in addition. Okay, in addition the real time topics. Okay, so the real time topics, what are the topics which I am going to cover? I will show you, I have a list, because this is also very important one. But other institutes no one will cover you, but I will show you real-time topics. I have listed the real-time topics here. I have the list of the, sorry. So these are the topics which I am going to cover. Okay, so project implementation methodology, okay, roles and responsibilities, what is the landscape, what is the ASAP methodology, how many implementation project methodologies are there, how to connect for the client network, okay, timesheet filling. I think this under, I think you people heard, but now what is mean by business blueprint, okay, how we can get the requirements, end-to-end implementation process, as is, what is to be, what is the project plan, okay, what is the functional specification. Okay, so this and all you people doesn't know. Then transport request, how can we release the transport request, how we can organize the testing, unit testing, integration testing, different kind of testings. Okay, what is the enhancements, BDC, LSNW, then how we can do the job scheduling, what is meant by spool request, role of the functional and a business consultant. Okay, so end to end implement in the implementation project, how can raise the, okay, how we can raise a OSSID. Okay, these are the additional topics which I am going to cover in our sessions. Okay, yeah, total 54 topics